Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee with a coffee machine. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need your coffee machine, some fresh coffee beans, and filtered water for the best taste. Make sure your machine is sparkling clean before you begin. Then, measure your coffee. A good starting point is 2 tablespoons of ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water, but feel free to adjust to your preference. Now, let's talk about grinding and water. For most drip coffee makers, a medium grind is ideal, similar to table salt. If your grind is too fine, your coffee might taste bitter. Once ground, place the coffee into the filter basket, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Next, fill the water reservoir with fresh, filtered water. Using filtered water significantly enhances the flavor of your brew, making a noticeable difference. With everything in place, it's time to brew. First, ensure your carafe is correctly positioned on the warming plate to catch the delicious coffee. Then, simply press the power button to start the brewing cycle. The machine will heat the water to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit and slowly drip it over the coffee grounds. Enjoy the wonderful aroma as your coffee brews, signaling that a fresh cup is almost ready. Your coffee is ready. Once the brewing cycle finishes, carefully remove the carafe from the machine. Be mindful of the hot plate. Now, pour that rich, aromatic coffee into your favorite mug. This is the moment to customize your drink. Feel free to add a splash of milk, a spoonful of sugar, or any other flavorings you enjoy. Take a moment to savor the warmth and flavor of your perfectly brewed coffee.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.